Alright guys, you're welcome to AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. If today is your first time coming to the channel, please subscribe, like and share. Also click on the notification button to enable you see more of our video, you understand? So that whenever we upload you can get another notification that we've uploaded a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, also make sure you do the same thing, copy the link and share to others so that they can get notified. Okay, quick one. I tell you, as a matter of fact, if you're a main person looking for how to get your skincare recipe or ingredients, you can actually call on this number. You say this number, you can call on the number. You get to us anywhere you are, being the US, UK, Canada, Asia country, Europe, Africa country as well, in Nigeria, anywhere you are. We distribute, we ship everywhere, we deliver, Yes, we use through in abroad, we use through DHL and other shipping companies as well also, even within Nigeria we use other logistic company to deliver to you. Trust us. As a matter of fact, this is what we know best in doing. It's what we know best in doing, so don't be scared. And as aspect of trust us, we are real. And a quick one, okay, I might make this one real quick today. What do we got? Guess what? I have another solution for you. For those of you who have stretch mark, and I'll be telling you that yes, if you don't treat your stretch mark maybe with crude kinakol, and I did talk about crude kinakol earlier on, and I talked about beleclat kinakol also. If you use those stuff, I tell you, if you use them they don't work, meaning especially the crude kinakol, if you're using the work, it might just be a spiritual problem, I said. So it's funny anyway. It might not be a spiritual problem, it might just be because the thing is in there and it's way far long, That is why, it's not really working. Okay, but I guess you're on the right side. That's why I present to you, ta-da! What's this? As a matter of fact, it's very obvious that I'm showing you this. And what could that be? This is python oil. Some people say snake oil, but it's a python oil. Honestly, I'm gonna tell you about this thing real quick right now. You see, this is one thing that you can dodge. If you be dodging crude kinakol, don't dodge this, because this might just be the last remedy you have right now. Some say, oh my gosh, I can use this. Oh, it sucks. It's snake oil. It's bad. This is the last option. Otherwise, if crude kinakol did not work, then the beleclat kinakol don't work, and other solution did not work, come to this. Yes. And the first time I'd be thinking maybe the story, and a lot of deal I prescribe. I have to do my own research and I prescribe it to a customer, 1, 2, 3 persons, and they be using it. People will have some real stretch marks, they started using it. To God be the glory, the stretch mark is all gone. It's all gone. It's a testimony, it's all gone. So you that have this stretch mark everywhere in your body, this is the remedy, python oil. You gotta use this. And how do you use it? Very simple. And you can mix it if you want to mix it to any of whatever y'all want to mix it, but I prefer you use it straight away, You take it. How do you melt it? Don't melt it with any other system, any other style. Just put it under the sun, and you get in and let it be heated with some degrees of the sun and get it melted for you. And after that, then take it inside, then If you want to mix it to in your cream or whatever, fine. But I advise you use it direct. Yes, look at it. Use it direct. Just take a little, or use it to rub the affected area. Always, it could be, yes, anything natural. It could take long time. I'm not telling you this is 7 days, this is days, I'm not gonna tell you those story. I'm not gonna tell you those magical words, those sweet words you wanna hear from me today. Now I ain't gonna say about those sweet words. Let me tell you the truth. Truth is bitter, but I tell you the truth. Do you understand? You'll be using it as long as you're using this is natural. As long as you'll be using it, just use it, apply it on it, on the affected area. Wherever you have the stretch mark, keep doing it from 1 week, 2 week, 3 week. See, I tell you, Rachel, all of it you see, it will go. It will go. Python oil, go for it right now, go for it. So if you're looking how to get it, you can always call at us. Anywhere, being where you are, you can get it. Are you getting it? So that is the end of the class. Once again, if you're looking for where to get your skincare ingredient, recipe, or cosmetic, you're looking for where to get it, call at us at AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. Wherever you are, US, Canada, Europe, Asia country, UK, Africa country, even in Nigeria as well, you can call at us. We ship everywhere. We deliver everywhere within the country, outside the country. So trust is our number one priority. Okay? So don't be scared of us at all. Don't online stories of people, they say, oh, why don't you send me the product before I send you money? No, we don't do that one. This is just a lay down rules for decades. So it's just a procedure, Place your order right now. Yes, place your order. Don't forget you're watching AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. And also check us on YouTube, other YouTube handle. We also have another YouTube handle, AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. Even the Instagram side, you can check us on our Instagram and Facebook, AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. You hear me? Don't forget, we've come to the end of the class.